Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a pan, water, and a splash of vinegar. This easy method ensures a delicious result without special equipment. We will guide you through each step, from preparing the water to gently cooking your eggs. Get ready to enjoy a classic breakfast or brunch item made effortlessly right in your kitchen. To begin, fill a non-stick pan with approximately 3 inches of water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly and maintain their shape. Place the pan over medium heat and bring the water to a gentle simmer. You want small bubbles forming at the bottom, but avoid a vigorous boil, as this can break the eggs apart. Now for the poaching. Carefully crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This makes it easier to gently slide them into the water without breaking the yolk. Slowly lower each egg into the simmering water. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes for a perfectly soft, runny yolk. If you prefer a firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by an additional minute. Once cooked to your liking, carefully remove the poached eggs from the water using a slotted spoon. Let any excess water drain off before placing them on your plate. These versatile eggs are fantastic on a piece of crispy toast, a top avocado, or as a protein boost for a fresh salad. They are truly a simple pleasure. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly poached eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.